better to listen and a push in the right direction. Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. My mentors made this code a victim of my life. So let me take you 3 years back. If you have met me, I was a frustrated teenager. A typical teenage problem. You name it, I have it. Relationship failures, weak in studies, weak in sports. Those days, I remember, I used to hit myself. I used to bang my head on walls. And in those days of frustration, a friend of mine shared a video on WhatsApp. That one video planted some positive thoughts inside my head. I became a mentee that day and found my first mentor. My mentor of positive thoughts, Sandeep Maheshwari. How many of you have heard his name? Most of you. Almost everyone answered. To the world, he is a motivational speaker. To me, he was a scientist. A scientist who was helping me to discover my true potential. Listening to his videos in every online class of Sandeep Maheshwari. Step by step, video by video. My beliefs, my thought patterns, my perception, my habits were all changed. First at a conscious level, then at a subconscious level. Now positivity was a part of me. Now humanity was something which I started loving. But where should I channelize this energy? And how should I test my positivity? That was the question. And that was the time for, any guesses?
Take the step.
Toastmasters. Toastmasters? College. My college project. So project was given to me in college and a mentor was assigned to help. Now this mentor, my second mentor, exactly opposite than my first mentor. A perfect example of what not to do in mentorship. So I worked hard on my project and after that I went to her to take a feedback. So she looked at me. She looked at the project. Sushant, what is this? Ma'am, this is company description. Do you think examiner has entire day to read about this? Can't you write it in a tabular form? Idiot! I did the changes suggested by my mentor. Went to her again. This time, she looked at my project even more critically. You're from which school, Sushant? Ma'am, Rukmani Devi. And this is your English. Can't you write a better write-up? Go and write the entire project again. Idiot! 50-page project. And just in 1 second she said, write it again? Seriously? And after 10 such attempts of frustration and humiliation, one night before Viva, the project was finally approved. But that left me frustrated. Why this happened? The negativity about my second mentor was about to enter my head. But at that time, positive thoughts of Sandeep Maheshwari entered this. And I asked myself, is she really wrong? And the answer was no. She was not wrong, perhaps she wanted us to teach quality work. The only thing which could have been better in the process was communication. The only thing which could have been better in the process was the art of giving feedback. She could acknowledge my efforts. She could make me realize the importance of a good content. So I asked myself, if that is the case, can I learn that authentic communication? Can I learn that skill to make others work as if they want to work? And that was the time That was the answer, and that was any
Toastmasters.
guesses? Toastmasters. So first day after joining Toastmasters, I realized I will get a mentor again. Not like the previous one. I begged to God, and He listened. Mentor assigned this time. He was different. Unlike my second mentor, I never need to approve my projects from him. If I want to discuss, he will. If I don't, he will not. He do not focus on the vocabulary or on the words, but rather try to strengthen the quality and the depth of my message. He empowered me, and the more he empowered, the more responsible I became. He gave me the freedom, and more free my mind was, better my thoughts, more thought-provoking my message. And the communication I wanted to learn during my second mentor tenure, slowly and gradually, was now accomplished. But why I am telling this to you all? Because like me, you are. In the stage of life, we all are mentors. And like my first mentor, you can always choose a mentor of thoughts. And like my second mentor, people who criticize you will teach you something which you will never forget. And like my third mentor, you all have a mentor in Toastmasters. And these Toastmasters envision mentorship in a different light. They will not convince you, but rather connect with your needs. They will not control you, but rather try to form that connection as per your needs. And my friends, that is something which will make all the difference. Thank you.